Have you ever wondered how a simple bowl of salad can taste like an expensive coastal feast? Today, we are diving deep into the culinary science behind Gordon Ramsay's luxurious lobster salad, proving that respecting premium ingredients creates unforgettable dishes. This dish captures the essence of coastal dining by combining tender, succulent lobster meat with vibrant, fresh ingredients. It isn't just about the protein, it's about creating a perfect balance where the delicate sweetness of the seafood is highlighted rather than hidden. The secret lies in the technique. Perfectly poached lobster ensures the meat remains pristine and firm. We then contrast this soft texture with crunchy celery, adding a necessary structural element that prevents the dish from becoming heavy or overly creamy. Next, we introduce a zesty lemon mayo dressing. This light citrus emulsion adds a refreshing zing that cuts through the richness, enhancing the natural sweetness of the lobster, while keeping the flavor profile bright and clean rather than cloying. What makes this a masterclass in elegant simplicity is the presentation. Whether served alone, nestled in a crisp lettuce cup, or rolled up for a fancy lobster roll, every method highlights the premium quality of the seafood without unnecessary clutter. The implications of this recipe are vast for home cooks. It demonstrates that you do not need complex machinery to achieve restaurant-quality luxury, simply respecting the ingredients with proper poaching and precise dressing ratios creates a stunning result. Ultimately, this luxurious seafood dish is proof that fresh, high-quality components can elevate a quick meal into an unforgettable dining experience. By mastering these simple steps, you unlock the ability to impress guests with genuine coastal flavors at home. So there you have it, respecting premium ingredients creates unforgettable dishes. What is your favorite way to serve lobster? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into culinary excellence.